In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Asana and automatically turn form responses into tasks. This is a great way to streamline your workflow, especially if you collect requests, feedback, or project details through a Typeform and want those submissions to appear directly inside Asana without any manual copying and pasting. Once this connection is set up, new responses can be sent straight into the right place in your Asana project, helping your team stay organized and respond faster. To begin, open Typeform and go to the form you want to use. From there, click on the Connect tab. This is where Typeform lets you link your form to other tools and services. In the search bar, type Asana so you can quickly find the integration. When it appears, select it and click Connect to start the setup process. Next, you'll be asked to authorize your Asana account. This step allows Typeform to securely send information into Asana on your behalf. Follow the sign-in prompts and approve the connection. If you're already logged in, this part may go quickly. Just make sure you're connecting the correct Asana account, especially if you work across multiple organizations or teams. After the authorization is complete, choose where the task should be created in Asana. You'll need to select the target workspace first, then the project, and finally the section. This part is important because it determines exactly where each new task will land. If your project contains different sections for incoming requests, priorities, or stages of work, choose the one that best fits the type of submissions your form collects. Once the destination is selected, the next step is mapping your form answers to the Asana task fields. Assign the appropriate response to the task name so each task has a clear title. Then map relevant answers to the description field so the task includes the supporting details your team needs. If your form collects a date, map that answer to the due date field as well. Taking a moment here to match each field carefully will make the tasks much more useful once they begin syncing. When everything looks right, enable the sync. From that point on, Typeform will automatically create Asana tasks based on new form submissions using the mapping and location you selected. Before you finish, it's a good idea to review the setup once more for accuracy. A well